everyone, Helena here from Truman Change, and just wanted to take a minute to quickly tell you about Kanban boards and how you can use them to help manage tasks, teams and projects. The premise is really simple, and the idea is to have something to visualize and help you limit the amount of work you have in progress. And the basic Kanban board will have 3 columns: to do, doing and done. Now you are free to change those titles or add a column in. For example, you could maybe have one that says waiting or for approval, depending on your working style. The premise is that you put tasks on that board with the aim of moving them along from to do into eventually done. And you can also add roles onto that table, which can have individual people's names. You could have specific project names, specific work area names that just helps you group your tasks a little bit more. But it's a really useful, highly visual tool you can use in regular stand-up meetings with your team to monitor the progress of tasks, move tasks along and help prevent bottlenecks and people having sort of too much on the doing list at any one time. Kanban boards are something that's used a lot in agile project management and work really well in face-to-face quick meetings, but there's also online software which replicates that. One example is Asana, which I've recently discovered and I'm very excited about, which allows you to do that remotely, online. It integrates with Microsoft Teams, and it's just a really quick, efficient and sometimes quite a different way to be managing work. Give it a go, let us know how you get on. I hope that's useful.